Hello everyone, this is Mang and this is my 29th day of my 60-day series of English speaking challenge, and I'm continuously making videos, and you can easily track me that how can I speak and how can I become fluent in English right now. So basically today I'm going to tell you about about something, a very special thing, that what kind of exercise I really do in my daily life, so it can ultimately affecting my communication skills or my English speaking skills. So what the exercise is? There are two exercises I want to tell you, and in this one first exercise, I'm going to tell you about three steps which I really wanted to have, which I really have to do, and the second thing, what is I'm going to do before I'm going to my main subject. So I wanted to tell you that if you are new in my video, so consider to subscribe or make sure to share with your friends or your loved ones, because this video is very beneficial for you as well as your friends. So let's start. So the first thing is, what I am usually doing to improving my English skill is, when someone who are starting, who are a beginner of in English speaking, so they have to do it first, that starting speaking English, even it is good or wrong, even it is bad or worst, whatever it is, but start speaking with the simple sentences or a small sentences like, this is a cooler, this is in a camera, this is in a box, or like, I wake up early in the morning, I took bath, I I brushed my teeth. I take I take breakfast and all of this stuff. After that, you can also say that I'm going to my work. I went to my work and then come back and then have a dinner and read a book and then sleep. That kind of word, if you are using in your daily life conversation, that your mind will become familiar with this English language, because English is just a language, not an alternative of your communication. If you are good in Hindi or any other language, that, or if you are a good communicator, so it's good. But when it comes in opportunity, when some guys are thinking that if you know English very well, that you are a good educator or a good learner, so that's why you know how to speak in English. So that's our society is really thinking, so we have to work on it to improve it, that to easily to communicate with them. So that's all about my first step, and the second step is output. If you are reading something, if you are reading books, watching movies, or podcasts, something like that, so the thing is, you are just watching it and taking it into your mind. It is called an input of input sources, which you are taking which you are taking information or knowledge in your mind, but you don't using in front of any kind of in front of your friends, public, or someone else. But the thing is, if you are not using this knowledge to improving your skills, so after and later on, your knowledge will erased by your mind. So you have to work on it, you have to do something. If you are taking something, so you have to do output to enhancing your skill. So the thing is, you are taking a knowledge from somewhere, so you have to do output of it. Just like, if you're watching my videos, so just speak with me, that what I am speaking right now, and the new words you are taking up from my side, and you just speak after me. And after this, you watching podcast like this, so just remembering in your mind and just speak in front of camera or a mirror, because it is also enhancing your vocabulary. And the third part is to im- uh, to uh, to communicate with friends. uh, Forget about what they're thinking of. If you are wrong, if you are right, that not matters. If you are doing something, so people are going to scold you about this, but don't taking interest of them. Just do it your work. That is the great thing. And now, and the last part of my video is, that is storytelling. In storytelling, we are going to I'm going to tell you about that how can I telling the stories, which is hypothetical as well. So which is a spontaneously making a topic. So someone is giving me, then I have to making some theory about it or some story about it and then tell about them. So one of friend texts me like text me like, and I just write it down here that this is now, if you like an Iron Man or super strength man like Captain America. So if Captain America have a shield, so if he do not have a shield in a high school, he is going in a high school, and then what will happen to him? Why? What will happen before to him and during with him and after with him if he do not have any shield? So just making a kind of story in front of your camera for spontaneously making videos. So what you going to thinking about? It's like if Captain America do not have any shield, so how he can protect himself? Why he go in high school that he don't have any shield, or what happens before Captain America that he do not have any shield, and during this and what the present time it is, and what is going after when he don't have any shield. So the story is like if Captain America fought with Iron Man or Ultron, no, just to start that a story is started with Captain America. He was he had been found by the scientist in an ice bridge where he was frozen for 70 years, since 70 years, and he is still alive. And he woke up, and he he do not have any shield because that time he left his shield from the ice field. So he have to find it out from somewhere. So when he woke up, and he just thought that he had a child in his previous life with his girlfriend, with his wife. So he just find it out his children. Yeah, of course he really do. He really wanted to do. So he just find it out, and he just find out that his children is currently studying in at high school. So he just go there to meet him, and he go without he find it out his shield, because he don't know where his shield is. So he go there, and immediately and spontaneously where Ultron attacked them. So how can Captain America Captain America will protect his son? So like, Captain Ultron is directly attack on Captain America. Why he attacked on only in Captain America? Because if the Avengers are together, so Ultron is unable to defeat them. So uh, he just decided to fight with an individual Avenger. So it is easy to win over them. So he started planning about them. So he know about that Captain America is will going to be meet his son. So he will go there and will going to kill. But in this battle, Captain America wasn't a super strength man. So he's too very like he's doing his best in this battle. But after all, Ultron is an AI tool or having many tools with his control. So it is easy to fight with Captain America. So he just defeat him, but do not kill him, because Captain America wasn't a super strength man. So just like about my hypothetical story about this, and which is all going in high school. So that is about my story. So it's something like that, you also making stories or telling yourself in front of your mirror or your friends, someone, as whatever you wanted to do. So you can do it. Will enhancing your speaking and your contacting, eye contacting as well. So let's do it. And I'm making such kind of videos so you can track me that how easy it is, how to speak in English. Is it easy or not? So consider to subscribe. I will meet you in my next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.